Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the BMW M5 logo in Car Parking Multiplayer. First, choose a car that offers ample space for customization. Navigate to the decal editor within the game's garage menu. You'll want to start with a simple, large shape as your base layer. This initial shape will serve as the foundation for the distinct M5 emblem, allowing for easier layering and precise adjustments later on. Get ready to transform your vehicle. Now, let's focus on the iconic M emblem. You'll need 3 separate rectangular decals. Carefully select the light blue, dark blue, and red colors for these stripes. Position them closely together, ensuring they are perfectly aligned and angled. Pay close attention to the proportions. Each stripe should be roughly 1/3 the width of the entire M section. This step is crucial for an authentic look. Next, we'll incorporate the text elements. Choose a clear, sans serif font for the BMW lettering. Position it neatly above the colored M stripes, ensuring it's perfectly centered for balance. Then, select a bold font for the M5 text and place it directly to the right of the stripes. Adjust the size of both text elements so they are proportionate to the overall logo. Precision here makes a big difference. For the final touches, meticulously review all your layers. Adjust the alignment and sizing of every element to achieve perfect symmetry and balance. Double-check that your colors are vibrant and accurately reflect the authentic BMW M5 logo. Take your time to ensure every detail is just right. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Your custom M5 logo is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.